Are Cellumove leggings secretly a scam, or just the latest must-have for fitness lovers? Let's get real for a minute. First off, Cellumove is a legit brand. You can find them on their official site and even on Amazon. So, nope, they're not going to steal your money and ghost you. But is the hype actually worth it? Let's talk pros. These leggings are super soft, like buttery soft, the kind you want to wear all day, whether you're running errands or just lounging around. Most people say they're stretchy, breathable, and give a really flattering fit. I mean, who doesn't want that sculpted, high-waisted look? But here's where things get messy. Shipping. If you're ordering from outside the US, brace yourself. It can take a month, sometimes longer. I've seen a lot of frustrated reviews from people who thought their package got lost in the void. Customer service? Well, let's just say it's not winning any medals. Now, about those famous cellulite smoothing claims. Some users swear their skin looks smoother after a few weeks, but honestly, a lot of people see no difference at all. These leggings aren't medical-grade compression, so if you're dealing with a medical condition or you're hoping for a miracle fix, you'll want to look elsewhere. A couple more things to keep in mind. Some found the leggings a little too see-through, and sizing isn't always spot on, but at least they offer free size exchanges. So here's my honest take. If you just want comfy, cute leggings and you're okay waiting a while for shipping, go for it. But if you need something with real medical support, or you're expecting them to erase cellulite overnight, you might end up disappointed. What do you think? Would you try them out, or is the wait just not worth it? Drop your thoughts in the comments.